welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix ChatGPT app crashing on Android. If your ChatGPT app is crashing on Android, what you can do is firstly tap on your phone setting. After you tap on your phone settings, scroll down, tap on apps. After you tap on apps, tap on app management. And after you tap on app management, tap on search and start typing ChatGPT. Tap on ChatGPT. Now over here, what you can do is tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache. And after doing this, it still doesn't work. What next you can do is you can reinstall and install the app. Press the app and tap on uninstall. After you tap on uninstall, to reinstall, tap on Google Play Store. After you tap on Google Play Store, what you can do is tap on search. After you tap on search, start typing for ChatGPT, and over here you can install the app. And still if it doesn't work, what you can check is if your app is not update the app. And lastly, what you can do is if it doesn't work, you can use your browser. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.